Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To access the bulbs, remove the cover. To change the H4 high and low beam bulb, grab the black power connector and pull it. Remove the rubber cover which is around the bulb. To unscrew the bulb, you must simultaneously push inwards and pull to the left. This will free the hook from the holding spar. Pivot the hook, then remove the bulb.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Take the new bulb. When putting the new bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then, move the metal clip back up. Put the rubber cover back. And reconnect the power connection. The pilot light is located under the H4 bulb. Take the black power terminal and pull on it. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new one into the plastic base. Then insert the whole thing into the headlight. Put the rubber cover back on. To replace the bulb on your indicator, take the bulb frame and make a single clockwise turn. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.